Welcome back to Project Aviate. Today we're diving into a story that combines ambition, technology, and the future of long-haul flight, the Boeing 777X, an aircraft that's not just another plane but one that's set to redefine what we expect from commercial aviation. As we step into this journey, imagine the very beginning where the first concepts of this giant machine were sketched. In a high-tech hangar, engineers worked with precision, envisioning an aircraft that could carry the legacy of the 777 family into a new era while pushing the boundaries of efficiency and design. This isn't just about making a bigger airplane, it's about making the smartest one yet. The very heart of this machine lies in its engines, and no detail could highlight that better than the GE9X. When you see this colossal turbofan up close, you realize it's the largest jet engine ever created. Its turbine blades, crafted from advanced composite materials, shimmer with innovation. The GE9X isn't just powerful, it's efficient, designed to sip fuel while delivering the thrust necessary to lift the largest twin-engine aircraft in the world. Think about that, one of these engines produces more power than the entire set of 4 engines on some older wide-body jets. That's the scale we're talking about. But the Boeing 777X isn't only about power. One of its most revolutionary features is right there in its wings. For the first time on a commercial airliner, folding wingtips are used. Imagine the 777X taxiing down the runway, its massive wings extended, then folding upward with mechanical precision so it can fit into the same gates as today's planes. This innovation gives it both the efficiency of a longer wingspan in the air and the practicality of a shorter footprint on the ground. It's not just a clever trick, it's a breakthrough that shows how much thought went into designing this aircraft for the future of aviation. Size has always fascinated people when it comes to airplanes, and the 777X is no exception. Put its sleek frame next to a legendary 747 silhouette, and you'll see how the 777X manages to be both elegant and massive. It's longer than the 747-8, yet it remains a twin-engine jet, proving how far technology has come since the age when 4 engines were thought to be the only way to cross oceans safely. This shift alone tells the story of aviation progress where efficiency is the new king. Step inside the cockpit and you're greeted by a completely reimagined flight deck. Gone are the days of bulky analog dials dominating the panel. Instead, the 777X offers large touchscreen displays, advanced automation, and a seamless blend of cutting-edge avionics. It feels more like the bridge of a starship than the cockpit of a traditional jet, giving pilots more situational awareness and control than ever before. It's modern aviation at its finest, where design meets intuition. Now, picture the cabin. Wide seats, expansive windows, and futuristic lighting that shifts to match the time of day or help fight jet lag. The 777X isn't just about moving people from point A to point B, it's about transforming the experience of long-haul travel. Airlines can configure this interior for luxury or for efficiency, but in every version, passengers will feel the benefits of a wider fuselage, quieter engines, and a smoother ride thanks to advanced aerodynamics. The visuals of this aircraft taxiing down a runway at sunset are breathtaking. Its fuselage stretches seemingly forever, and those folding wingtips give it a futuristic edge that no other jet has. When it finally unleashes the raw power of its GE9X engines during takeoff, the roar is both deafening and awe-inspiring. You can see the heat distortion rippling in the air behind it, a reminder of just how much energy is being harnessed to lift this giant into the skies. Once in the air, the 777X looks almost majestic. From above the clouds, its wings cut gracefully through the atmosphere, carrying hundreds of passengers across continents in one of the most fuel-efficient ways ever devised. And efficiency doesn't just mean cost savings for airlines, it means reduced emissions, something critical for the future of sustainable aviation. Innovation continues even on the ground. In specialized tests, engineers push the wings to their limits, bending and flexing them to prove the strength of their composite materials. These wings aren't just large, they're engineered masterpieces designed to handle stresses that would shatter older designs. It's these unseen tests that ensure the safety and longevity of every 777X that will fly in the years to come. And then we return to the engine, the GE9X, with its futuristic cutaway views showing the intricate machinery within. Every blade, every component is designed to maximize efficiency and minimize weight. It's a mechanical marvel, and without it, the 777X simply wouldn't be possible. To appreciate how far this jet has come, imagine it flying alongside the older 777-300ER, the aircraft it was designed to replace. The comparison is stunning. The 777X is sleeker, more efficient, and designed with the passenger of tomorrow in mind. It represents the natural evolution of the world's most successful long-haul aircraft family. Airports themselves will feel the impact of this aircraft. Picture it parked at a futuristic terminal, passengers boarding through glass jet bridges, the architecture reflecting the same sleek lines and modern ambition of the plane itself. The 777X is more than a jet, it's part of a global infrastructure shift toward the next era of aviation. At night, under bright floodlights, the 777X looks almost cinematic. Its reflective fuselage glows and its sheer presence dominates the tarmac. For aviation fans, it's not just another plane parked at the gate, it's a glimpse into what's next. Finally, look toward the future. Imagine the 777X in the skies of 2035, flying higher, farther, and more efficiently than any twin-engine jet before it. Against an epic cloudscape, it doesn't just look like the present, it looks like the future of aviation itself. The Boeing 777X is not without challenges. Its development has faced delays and scrutiny, but when you analyze its features, its innovations, and its sheer ambition, it becomes clear why many believe it's set to be the most advanced aircraft ever built. It's the culmination of decades of engineering, the embodiment of efficiency, and a symbol of where aviation is heading. And when it finally becomes a regular sight in our skies, we'll be witnessing not just another new airplane, but a giant leap forward in the story of flight. So the next time you hear the roar of an aircraft overhead, remember that somewhere in those skies, the Boeing 777X may soon be carving its path, setting new records and redefining what we expect from air travel. And that is why this incredible machine is set to be the most advanced aircraft ever.